John from J&J Auto Wrecking here, coming at you with a test video for L8CA256. This is a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado that we just woke up from a long slumber. She just stalled out. We'll get her fired up here in a minute. This car has got 52,000 original miles on it with a 425 cubic inch Cadillac V8 with a front wheel drive transmission. Due to the mileage of this thing, we're going to be selling this as a complete front subframe drop. We're literally going to take the subframe and axle, suspension, send it to you guys. You need to restore one of these, you want to do some kind of crazy front wheel drive Cadillac big block swap, you're going to have everything you need with 52,000 original miles on it. The rest of the car is good from afar, but far from good. The hood is the only piece of sheet metal that is worth anything, but it has been repainted. She's got some checking here. The chrome's in nice condition, but this is a low quality single stage respray, guys. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but it has just an insane amount of dirt in the paint and trash. This car has a ton of good chrome on it though. Look at all these nice fender lip moldings, front fender moldings. Filler panels are obviously no good. Nice front grille, front bumpers in average shape. Same deal on this side. This car is very original, so the chrome is nice, but not reproduction quality. That's literally going to be the best description I can give you guys here. You move around here, the rear bumper is nice, comes with a very nice vintage Cowboys and Longhorns Nowhere But Texas sticker. That's nice. Oh, never mind. Rear bumper, got some issues. Rust. Let's step inside here and take a look at this girl. Nice blue vinyl slash leather, whatever the heck GM was calling it, seat set here. Let's test the power functions. Forwards, backwards, tilt, up and down, tilt that way. The rear seat, very nice condition. I'm gonna actually hop on in here and pretend to sit in this thing. Ooh, watch John struggle. Oh man. This is pretty comfortable. Honestly, guys, this thing has more rear seat legroom than a Subaru STI. How do we get out? That's how we get out. All right, bear with me. Let's see if I can gracefully do this while holding a GoPro. Got it. All right, continue the test video here. Shenanigans are over. Seatbelt retractor does not seem to be retracting, so, oh, there it goes. All right, a little bit of dirt on it. Take a look inside here. We've got 52,502 miles. All these switches are going to be for sale. They're in nice condition. We've tested them all. This chrome's in nice condition. One of the coolest things ever here, though, James showed us this, is when you switch from AM to FM, look at that. Like a little speak and spell. Close that up. Door pan, or sorry, glove box door is in nice condition. Door panel on this side. Another really cool feature of this car is it has two door handles. You got the rear seat passenger door handle and the passenger door handle. This is another Detroit keyless entry car. We did not get the ignition key with it, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys. A little gas. Now, she is carbureted, she has been sitting, so we just ran some fresh fuel through it, but that's why she's getting a little ouchy. James is under the hood there. Oh, yep. Running nice and good. We're just trying to let it warm up for a second. Let's test the auto antenna. Nothing from the power antenna. Let's do the doors. Passenger door glass, or motor, sorry, up and down. Guys, I am just fumbling for words here today. Driver door glass, up and down. Holy cow, look at this regulator. That is a mechanical regulator. Why could GM not take a lesson from themselves 30 years ago and build a regulator? All right, she stalled out. Guys, she's got old fuel in her. I was gonna try to drive it for you, but it's just not worth the 2-footed pedal that it's gonna be required. If you get this thing, plan on opening up the old Quadra junk there and sticking her in some Berrymans and getting the gunk out of her, but she does run. She runs, we'll call her 80%. You can tell she's on old fuel. Other than that, guys, that's going to wrap up the test video for L8CA256. I promise I'll remember the stock number in the next video. If you guys are looking for any parts off of this Eldorado, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and you guys can check out our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, and give us a like and follow on social media, guys. A lot of exclusive content over there if you're kind of into junkyard stuff. We were drifting a Think EV City the other day, so there's that. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching, and we're out.